Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Asta Suryavanshi, a third year MBBS student at St. James Medical College and KM Hospital. Today, I'll be taking you on a campus tour of St. James Medical College with my beloved friend Nidhi Chandoskar from GMC Aurangabad. Let's go.
Asta, what is this?
Okay, these are the rainbow stairs. These are the rainbow stairs. Let's go up. Okay, so this is Seth Godwantha Sundar Das, sir, who has established our college. Okay, so this is the pathology department, and then we have the microbiology department too on this section. Let's go. Okay, so this one is the microbiology lab. This is the microbiology section where all our practicals are conducted. This is our pathology lab. Come, let's go inside. So these are all the specimens which we have studied in our second year of MBBS. Okay, so we are done with the patho and micro department, and now we are going to enter the pharmac department. Okay, so let's go to the pharmac department. Hello everyone. This is our college video clip. For what? Because for a YouTube channel, so we'll be recording. Would you like to speak something
About what?
about our college, about the students here?
Wow, pharmac department is the best department. I've never seen such a department anywhere. And I've been working in this department since 13 years. You know me, na, Baba?
Yes, ma'am. I know you. You are a really nice teacher, and yes, ma'am.
Students are also good students come, no, here,
Yeah.
Baba, in KM.
Okay, so your pharmac department was really cool. So where are we going next? We are going to the dissection hall to the NAT department. Let's go. Okay, so let's go to the NAT department. We've got a beautiful fish aquarium here. Okay guys, so let's go to the histology lab. Okay, so we are in the Department of Anatomy, and now we're going to the most important hall, which is the dissection hall, obviously, where all the first year students see the cadavers for the very first time in their lives. Okay, so let's go to the dissection hall. We have spent a lot of our time dissecting cadavers here. It was a fun experience. So like there is no shortage of cadavers. My eyes are burning actually because of the formalin smell. Okay, these are juniors. Um, okay, so these are my juniors. Okay, just introduce yourselves to the camera.
I'm Yukta and I'm in first year. Tanvi Kotkar, first year MBBS.
How much marks did you get?
Got 670. I got 667.
Okay, so up till now, how was your experience in the college?
It's good. Kind of hectic, but good. So,
Yours?
same.
What do you like the most about, say, GS Medical College?
Well, this year Avishkar Ora is the first thing.
That's a true thing. Because in our second year, we didn't have Avishkar. I have experienced it only in my first year.
Yeah, the students here are really great. Like my fellow classmates and even the staff members are very nice. Like the departments are very cooperative.
Yeah.
थोड़ा मतलब परेशान करता है पर अच्छा है.
Tejas Kadaria, hello. Aryaman Sapre.
Tell us about your NEET rank and score.
NEET rank 1354 and score 682. NEET rank 2961 and score 670.
Okay, so what do you like about KM?
The environment here, quite good environment and it's disciplined here. Not much.
First year में ये हालत है. Okay, that's great and quite frank. I appreciate it. Okay. And what about Avishkar happening this year? Are you excited for it?
Excited, but not too much. Hard year.
Okay, so let's go to the physio department. Physiology is a subject of the first year, and even biochemistry. This is one of our practical rooms. And we've got one more practical room over here. So this was our physio section. Okay, these are the lecture theatres of KM. We've got two more on the second floor. So this is the lecture hall, and what else? Especially, I really love the sitting arrangement of all the lecture theatres in KM. Well, you can see it's not the classical sitting arrangement, but it has got benches at different levels. So it's a really beautiful lecture theatre. Yeah, we do have a projector, and we do also have ACs in LT2. Okay, so right now we are in the LCR, which stands for Ladies Common Room. So okay, this is the library building of KM. It has got separate sections for the UGs and the PGs, and it has also got departments of pathology, FMT, and community medicine. The library is very well ventilated. It has got centralized AC all over the building, and it's quite comforting over here. Hello. What's your name? And you're from which batch?
2021 batch.
Do you stay at the hostel? Tell us about the hostel facilities over here.
So we get hostel here, late first year. In the first year it is on the basis of how much marks we scored in NEET.
तो नए बच्चे कहाँ पे रहते हैं, मतलब जो न्यू एडमिशन्स होते हैं वो?
फर्स्ट ईयर जब सेकेंड ईयर में जाएंगे तो फिर जो नवे फर्स्ट ईयर से उन्हें हॉस्टल में,
तब तक क्या वो फ्लैट्स पे रहते हैं?
उस टाइम तक उन्हें सेल्फ अकोमोडेशन करना है।
अच्छा, तो हॉस्टल्स कितने हैं यहाँ पे, गर्ल्स हॉस्टल?
3 गर्ल्स हॉस्टल है।
ओके, नेम्स?
एक करियर पे है, एक एंकर है, एक यूजी।
और बताओ, मतलब मेस फैसिलिटीज और वो सब?
सो मेस का ऐसा है कि हमें खुद से हमारे टिफिन लेना है, बिकॉज
अच्छा।
एंकर एंड यूजीपीजी से हमारे कैंटीन पास में है, बट करी रोड थोड़ा दूर पड़ता है, तो वहाँ पे हमें खुद से हमारे टिफिन लेना है।
ठीक है। और आप कहाँ से हो?
मैं गुलदाना।
तो आपको यहाँ मुंबई कैसे लगी? अच्छा, थैंक यू।
So I have Mrudul with me over here. She is from the 2022 batch and she is from Karnat. Tell us something about the college.
Best part of college is like its academics. The faculty is truly amazing over here. They are passionate. The best thing which I like about this college is particularly the patient load which we experience over here and different kinds of patients. The variety of diseases which we are able to see over here. And another best part is like the peer group. It is competitive, I agree. TM, so there's gonna be a competition. But I think we can take it in a positive way and it helps in our overall development, in our personality development as well.
So what was your score in NEET?
My score was 657 in NEET.
And then?
And rank was 3140.
So do you have any message for those who are giving NEET?
The one who are giving NEET, like our probable juniors, I wish you a very, very, very good luck and I hope you will get into KEM, and getting into KEM is really a dream for like many medicals, and just come here not for self but for all. That's all.
So right now you have your practical?
Yeah.
Which practical?
I have pharmac and FMP.
Bye, all the best.
Meet Rohit Karare. He's a first year MBBS student. He's my junior. He'll take us to the main boys hostel and to the gym also.
गर्ल्स को एंट्री अलाउड है? सही में? वाह, ग्रेट। ओके, द मेस। ओके, दिस इज अ जिम। जिम तो बंद है ना? अच्छा, ओपन है। ओके, फुल्ली इक्विप्ड जिम है, सही है। टाइमिंग्स क्या होते हैं यहाँ पे?
Thank you for showing us the MBS and the gym over here.
थैंक यू।
Okay, so this is the UGPG hostel, and this side is the girls' wing, and the opposite side to it is the boys' wing.
What is this?
So this is the team slot. Like अभी जितने भी हमारे बैच फोटोज या जो भी बैच की गैदरिंग्स रहते हैं, they take place here. इधर पूरा बैच का फोटो रहता है, and all the events and all the event heads and all the people who are a part of the course, they come here, they spend time here, and आविष्कार के भी many स्टॉल का सेटअप है, लाइक बंगी जंपिंग, फिर आर्चरी वगैरह जो भी रहते हैं, छोटे छोटे स्टॉल वो इधर रहता है. देन all pre-Avishkar events and all the freshers week events like Sari Day, then Mismatch Day and all the fancy dress days and fancy dress competitions. All of these they take place here.
So he's Mohak Agarwal. He's my
group. मैं अपना खुद का इंट्रोडक्शन खुद दे सकता हूँ. मुझे लगा तू अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे.
introduction नहीं चुकी.
तो मुझे अपना चाहिए ना. जा दे. टेंशन
Please.
Hello, namaste. I'm Mohak Agarwal. I'm a third year MBBS student in this prestigious institute, CGSNC Mumbai.
He's luckily one of my friends. He's one of the toppers.
Sadly and luckily पता नहीं but I'm her friend. फिर उसके बाद I'm from Pune. 3 साल हो गए इधर आके. पेरेंट्स से दूर जाना था, इसलिए आया था मैं पहली बात इधर। फिर इधर आके मैं डिप्रेशन में चले गया इसलिए एनाटॉमी देख के तो मैं चौथे दिन रोने लग गया जब उन्होंने 1 घंटे में पूरा लोअर लिम्ब खत्म कर दिया। फिर मैं घर गया ये सोच के कि कभी वापस नहीं आऊंगा, बट मेरी मम्मी ने थोड़ा सा ऐसे मोटिवेट किया कि जहाँ डॉक्टर करना है वो करना, और मैं भी मोटिवेट हो गया। फिर मैं आ गया इधर, फिर 1 साल कैसे भी निकल गया और सेकेंड ईयर से सब कुछ अच्छा होगा। लाइक फर्स्ट ईयर तो होता ही है, ऐसे फैमिली की याद आती है, ऐसे होम सिकनेस वगैरह होता है तो होता ही है बेसिकली, दैट्स नॉर्मल।
ये डिप्रेशन में वगैरह चला गया था, लेकिन फर्स्ट ईयर में एक वन ऑफ द टॉपर्स रहा अपने बैच का।
हाँ ठीक है हो गया। फिर उसके बाद सेकेंड ईयर में बहुत मजा आया। सेकेंड ईयर में सारे क्लिनिकल सब्जेक्ट चालू होते हैं एंड यू गेट टू नो अबाउट मेनी थिंग्स, तो बहुत मजा आया। फिर आविष्कार वगैरह भी रहते हैं इधर, बहुत सारे फेस्ट रहते हैं। यू बेसिकली कांट स्टे फ्री, इधर कुछ ना कुछ होते रहता है, कुछ नहीं भी होता है तो भी बहुत कुछ होता है। सो
इसकी
लाइफ में तो बहुत सारे everyone changes after coming here. Take any medical college, people change. And basically इधर academics तो है ही, extra curricular activities भी बहुत सारे, as I mentioned आविष्कार रहता है, स्पोर्ट्स में सिनर्जिया रहता है, इंट्रा इंटर बैच बहुत सारे इवेंट्स होते हैं। फिर उसके बाद क्लब्स है इधर बहुत सारे, चेस क्लब है, पीटी क्लब है, लिटरेरी क्लब है, यू नेम इट एंड उसका क्लब है, ट्रेकिंग क्लब। As you can see, that is a basketball court. This is the proper turf and this is a lawn tennis court. जो भी इवेंट्स होते हैं हमारे, all the sports events, synergia, and all the inter batch and intra batch events, all of them they like take place here. ये हमारा OBGY building है. इधर there are many wards, medicine ward is there. Then जो भी vaccination and stuff is there, that takes place there. This is the UGPG hostel. इधर बस बड़े लोगों को एंट्री मिलती है, हम जैसे छोटे लोगों को एंट्री नहीं मिलती है। तो
कौन बोल रहा है? कॉलेज की टॉपर ही है।
so this is the UGPG hostel, that's the main boys hostel and this is the library building. लाइब्रेरी बहुत बढ़िया अच्छी भी है, इधर लोग पढ़ते ही रहते हैं तो क्या बोलूँ। दिस इज द सेंट्रल कैंटीन जस्ट आउटसाइड द कोर्ट। इधर चाय बहुत मस्त मिलती है, मैं चाय देखती हूँ, दिन में 10-15 चाय हो जाती है। मुझे गैस्ट्रिक कल्चर हो गया उसकी वजह से, बट ठीक है कोई बात नहीं। एंड बस
ये वाली हॉस्पिटल बिल्डिंग है, दिस इज द न्यू बिल्डिंग। इट हैज स्पेशलिटीज एंड सुपर स्पेशलिटीज।
अच्छा, एंड द ओल्ड बिल्डिंग?
ओल्ड बिल्डिंग इज ऑन द फ्रंट साइड।
अच्छा, so where are your postings going on? In the old building or the new building?
Postings are usually in the old building, but the new building has some of the OTs, like the minor OT of surgery. We do come over here for some minor OT of surgery or medicine OPD or something. This is a minor OT.